All right, while our butter is melting, I'm gonna grab a large bowl, and I have 2 boxes of my Famous Dave's cornbread. Whenever I find the Famous Dave's cornbread, I have to buy it. So that was our first box. Now we're gonna grab our second box. But you could do a homemade cornbread if that's what you prefer, but I'm going the Famous Dave's route. I'm gonna come in with my measuring cup, and instead of milk, we're gonna do buttermilk. Oh, if you've ever had buttermilk in your cornbread, you know what we're doing. And we're gonna add about 1 cup of buttermilk right in there. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Now we're gonna add our eggs, and we need 2 eggs. That's just following the box instructions. Perfect. Now I'm adding 2/3 a cup of water. Perfect. And before we move on, we are gonna mix this together. The box says to use a fork, so that's what I'm doing. And we're just gonna make sure that this gets fully mixed, and you don't wanna over mix it because then it won't be the right consistency. But once we get this nice and mixed, this is gonna be almost ready for our butter. Oh, I am so excited. I love cornbread, I love butter, and this is just gonna be the perfect combination. So let's just get this nice and mixed. And just right before you think it's done, we are gonna grab our Oreo bacon bits, and we're gonna add that whole bag right in there. I already took the little freshness packet out, and now we're gonna finish mixing this up. Now, obviously I'm adding bacon, but you could add jalapenos, you could add sausage, you could add pulled pork, you could add whatever you like right into your cornbread. You could make it a sweet cornbread with honey. I am gonna probably add a honey on this after I cook it, but I think for now we're gonna keep it nice and savory. That bacon smells amazing. Our butter is almost fully melted, and I am getting excited. I love this side dish for any occasion, so I had to whip it up today because I was craving it. All right, I think that is fully mixed and ready to go. So let's go ahead and check on our butter. We got our butter out, started to boil. You don't need it to boil, you just need it to melt. And now we can come in with our cornbread. And we're gonna put our batter right into our butter. Oh, I have a spatula, don't you fret. We're gonna get all of that delicious cornbread right into our butter for our butter swim cornbread. Ooh, just when you thought butter swim biscuits couldn't get any better, you use cornbread. Okay, and last but certainly not least, we're gonna add some cheese, and I have some pepper jack so we can get a kick. And we're just gonna sprinkle that right on the top. It should start melting right away in that boiling butter. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now I obviously used 4 sticks of butter. You could probably get away with just doing 1, but I say more butter, more better. So I had to use the whole package of butter. And we're gonna use about 3/4 of our pepper jack as well. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. Oh my. Wow. It smells so yummy. I'm so excited. And like I mentioned, I am gonna just do a little drizzle of honey. This is optional. If you don't like sweet cornbread, just forget I even did this step and dig in. It smells so good. I'm so excited. All that butter, all that cornbread, the bacon, the pepper jack. It is finally time to dig in.
It's perfectly cooked.
And perfectly greased. Oh yeah, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious?
Wow, that bacon in there.
Buttery goodness. Okay. Oh yeah.
Is it good?